Chapter 15, Sloka 16. Dvavimau purushau loke. Dvavimau purushau loke. Dvavimau purushau loke. Sharaschakshara evacha. Sharaschakshara evacha. Sharaschakshara evacha. Dvavimau purushau loke. Sharaschakshara evacha. द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके शरश्चाक्षर एव च 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 शरः सर्वाणि भूतानि शरः सर्वाणि भूतानि शरः सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते शरः सर्वाणि भूतानि 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 कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते द्वाविमौ पुरुषौ लोके शरश्चाक्षर एव च शरः सर्वाणि भूतानि कूटस्थोऽक्षर उच्यते.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.